Stopping your vehicle correctly is just as important as its performance at top speeds, and that means regular brake maintenance is essential.
When you're working on brakes, you need 3M high-power brake cleaner. It delivers a high-pressure punch designed to knock contaminants out of your brake assembly. The high-pressure sprayer leaves no residue. To apply, hold the can 12 to 24 inches away from the surface. Then, start at the top and blast the contaminants down and off the area, making sure to collect any runoff fluids into an approved container. Brakes live a hard life, slowing your vehicle down each day, so it may take a couple of applications to get them clean. Using the extension tube is up to you, but it does help to hit those hard-to-reach areas. 3M Brake Parts Cleaner just doesn't stop with brakes. It's a very effective, multi-purpose cleaner that you can use to clean parts all over the shop. And best of all, it's available in VOC and EPA compliant versions, so you know it's safe for both you and the environment.